Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry shrimp and vegetables. First, select fresh, high-quality shrimp and your favorite crisp vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Next, whisk together a simple yet delicious sauce using soy sauce, fresh ginger, garlic, and a touch of sesame oil. Remember, stir-frying is a fast process, so have all your ingredients chopped and ready to go before you even turn on the heat. To achieve perfectly cooked shrimp, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in your wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and cook for just 1 to 2 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Overcooking makes shrimp tough, so be sure to remove them from the pan as soon as they are done. Set the cooked shrimp aside for later. Now, add a bit more oil to your hot pan. Start by stir-frying harder vegetables like carrots and broccoli for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, introduce softer vegetables such as bell peppers and snap peas, cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes. Keep everything moving in the pan to ensure even cooking and a delightful crisp tender texture. This method prevents any single vegetable from becoming mushy. Finally, return your perfectly cooked shrimp to the pan with the vegetables. Pour in your prepared stir-fry sauce and toss everything gently until all ingredients are beautifully coated and heated through, which usually takes about 1 minute. Serve your delicious shrimp and vegetable stir-fry immediately over rice or noodles. For more great cooking tips and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your meal!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.